Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Farah Mutiara Akmalya. My student ID number is 15230686. On the occasion, I would like to present computer and inside the computer. What is a computer? What is the function of a computer? Let's see next. The word computer comes from the Latin computer, which means to calculate. So, in simple terms, a computer is a tool used for arithmetic calculation. A computer is a versatile device that can be programmed to perform a limited set of arithmetic or logical operations. Computers have several functions, namely first as data input. Data input is used to receive data or information from outside source. Second, as a data processor. Data processor is the process data will produce output in the form of information. Examples such as text, image, audio, and video. And the last as data output, where the data model that has been processed in the computer. The result will be available for use by user or other device for various purposes. For example, as an audio file, hard copy to paper, or print as a 3D model. Next, computer component. Computer components are divided into three types, namely software, hardware, and computer user. The three types of components certainly have their respective function and are very important so that a computer can function optimally. The first is hardware. Hardware is a physical component that can be seen, touched, and has a real physical form. Hardware is divided into several parts. The first is the mainboard. The mainboard is a computer component that contains the BIOS system, chipset, processor socket, memory socket, graphic card socket, which function to place all the components needed in a computer. The second, processor. The processor is a computer component that work on all commands that have been programmed and stored in the form of a hard disk. The processor functions as the central brain of the computer. The third is the hard drive. The hard drive is a computer component that functions as a permanent data storage medium. Next, solid state drive or SSD, safe to store data permanently stored on interconnected NAND-based flash memory chips. Next, random access memory or RAM, which function as a temporary memory used by the computer to carry out a function of the application or software. The sixth, optical drive, function as a reader for data storage media in the form of a DVD or CD disk. DVD or CD disk is an optical disk that contains data. Next, floppy disk. Next, video graphic array or VGA card, safe to issue graphic output or image to be displayed in the monitor screen. Next, sound card. Sound card is a computer component that decodes digital data into sound signal. Next, keyboard. Keyboard is a keyboard that contains a model of letter, number, and character. This keyboard is a means for computer user to enter various data into the computer. Then the mouse. Mouse is a pointer tool to access through the computer screen. Then the monitor. Monitor is a computer component that displays the graphic image output from the VGA card. And finally, the printer. The printer is a tool for printing data in a computer onto paper media. The second is software. Software is the operating system and also various applications that are incorporated into the hardware and work according to command from the user. Software is divided into two parts, namely operating system software and application software. Operating system software is a program that acts as an intermediary between user and hardware and computer that function to manage files, while application software is a program developed to meet user needs in doing certain jobs. The third, computer user, is a computer user or operator who use a computer. Computer users are divided into several parts. The first is the user or operator, which is the person who operates the computer. The second is the administrator, which is the person who organizes the system, sequence, and management of work from data processing to the final result in the form of information. The third is the programmer, which is the person who has the ability to develop computer program. And the last is the system analyst, which is someone who plans, evaluates, and assesses a computer system, such as word processing, Microsoft Word, and number and data processing, Microsoft Excel. The last type of a computer. There are several types of computer that we can find and use in various purposes, including the first personal computer or PC. PC can be used for various purposes such as office work, media playback, and games. The second, laptop. A laptop is a portable computer that can be used anywhere. The third is a tablet computer. A tablet computer is a touchscreen device with a size larger than a smartphone and smaller than a laptop. Tablet computers are more focused on content consumption, web browsing, and mobile application. The fourth, server. Server is a computer used to store, manage, and provide access to computing research and data on a network basis. Servers are often used in business environment to store data, host website, and provide network service. Fifth, supercomputer. Supercomputers are computers with extremely high and complex processing capabilities. Supercomputers are used for weather modeling, scientific research, product design, and applications that require the greatest computational power. And finally, embedded computer. An embedded computer is a computer that is integrated in another system or device. This type of computer is often found in electric equipment such as car and cameras. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.